Guys, welcome everyone to our new video. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will discuss an important topic and talk about a token. I hope all of you have a question in your mind or want to know about this topic. So based on that, I made this video. The question is about a token called ZEC, Zcash. Okay, so why is this token pumping like this? Here's the detailed discussion. We will talk about what we should do now, whether we should buy, sell, or hold. At the end of the video, I will give you a tip or let you know what you should do. So keep watching the video till the end. Alright, so let's get started. So Zcash is a cryptocurrency token that was launched approximately around the same time when Bitcoin was created. It's a very old and well-known token. Over the years, it has already proven its capabilities to people, and that's why it is still here today. If we take a closer look at the numbers, we can see that this is actually its all-time high. It was almost or just about around $3,000, which it managed to reach on October 29th in the year 2016. All right, so from that point onward, it kept going down, and more recently it touched its all-time high, and then in 2018 set another all-time high at $693. So after that, you can see it just kept going down, 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 only down. All right, so after that, look, it almost dropped to $10. Here you can see $20, $25. So what happened all of a sudden? Here, it's $22. See, even in 2024, it was $22. Even just a few days ago, if we look at 2025, it was around $30 in February. So what suddenly happened that it has now dropped to around $392 in just a few days? So we're going to discuss this now. But first, we need to understand what this token is about or what's inside it. Look, this is a token that was already popular among everyone. Imagine Bitcoin and Zcash are like two brothers, all right? But one brother, Bitcoin, rises to the top and becomes very popular. But this token doesn't gain that popularity. One big reason for that is that around 2019, all the exchanges started delisting these coins or stopped supporting them because they didn't want to support it. All right, and one reason for that is that it's a privacy coin. All right, so now we're going to discuss privacy coins. If we go to its website, you'll see Zcash is an encrypted electronic cash. So as we know, cryptocurrency was actually created for privacy. Bitcoin was created for privacy. Privacy is something like this. For example, if you make a transaction with BNB or keep your money in BNB, everyone can see it. That means anyone can track everything you do, and any government or anyone else can track and find out a lot about you. Those are public chains. But these are privacy tokens, meaning only you and the person you're transacting with will know about the transaction. No one else will know how much money or how many dollars you're transferring. That's the main reason why cryptocurrency was born. All right. So here in 2025, a new narrative is forming, and that is the privacy token, meaning privacy tokens might rise from here, or a new narrative could be created. So, so if you look at the 1 month chart, you'll see how it's pumping. It's continuously pumping, piggy, because the big investors are supporting it, and everyone wants there to be privacy within cryptocurrency or for a private network to exist. All right, so this is basically one of the main tokens in this space, a privacy token. So if we look at it, the market cap is very low right now, around $7 billion. In comparison, you can see Bitcoin is up there at $2 trillion. So its supply is almost like Bitcoin's. So in the last year, it pumped 900%. Okay, so if you want, you can see a lot of details on the website here. This is a fair and open private one, which I mentioned is cash employee and end-to-end encrypted to protect your rights to privacy. So you are in control means your money and everything else are under your control. Secret messages, fast and low fees. So that's what this is about. Basically, this is one of the reasons, just like in 2021, farming became a narrative, NFTs became a narrative. So now privacy tokens are also becoming a narrative. If that happens, it will be very bullish for these kinds of coins. All right. So now let's discuss in detail whether we should be buying right now or selling. So if we come to Binance, we'll search here. Anyway, so you can see how it's pumping. It was $30 here, and from there it went up to $450. Then took a bit of a correction, sir. What can I say? Look, this is one of those tokens that has done this before as well. By capability, I mean it had already shown people what it could do, and it was quite popular among people back then. It was a project from a long time ago. All right. Now, as a new narrative is forming that privacy tokens could be the next Bitcoin or the next big thing. So, in my opinion, if you already own some, you should never sell here. All right. What you can do is, and I'll elaborate here, you can buy it. If it's around $350, you can buy it because this is a token or a narrative that's being built. If the narrative is built properly, or if it works out like everyone expects, like farming did, like NFTs did, then from here, a 10 times, 20 times return is possible. Even $10,000 is possible. Even $20,000 is possible. No, I'm not joking. Because its market cap is still very low and not many people know about it yet. People are thinking maybe it pumped randomly and after a few days it will come back down. All right. So, from all the experience I've had, I can say that this will go much higher from here. And I'm holding on to it just like I did with Bitcoin. I'm not going to sell it, I'll keep it with me. Just like you buy gold or land, that's how I'm holding on to this. So now you might be asking whether you should open a long or a short position. I keep telling you that futures trading is a very risky place. You can lose money by going long and you can lose money by going short. So in my opinion, you can just buy it on spot. And if you want to trade futures, I would suggest using cross margin and not setting a liquidation price because it can spike at any time. It can go up again here. All right, so in my opinion, just buy on spot. If you want to buy in futures, use low leverage and do not set any liquidation price. And if you see that it goes towards $230, that means there is no more potential for it to go further. Our narrative will fail and we will sell out and exit. But for now, it is looking very bullish and is creating a bullish narrative. And never ever try to short here by mistake. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel if you liked it and stay with us. Thank you, everyone.